In this video, you will learn how to import data from the web into Excel. In fact, we'll not just import it, but link it to the data source, so that anytime the data is changing, we can have the most up-to-date data in Excel. Let's get started. For this example, we'll look for a list of countries in the world. We can find this information online. We can just copy and paste it now, but the data on this page may change in time, and we may not have the latest up-to-date information. Let's click on this website. This is the list of countries with English-speaking populations. We're going to take this link in the address bar and copy it. Next, go to Excel, go to the Data tab, and click on Insert Data from the Web. Paste this link and click OK. Excel will visit that website, scrub the data, and find any potential data sets it might be able to import. You can see here it found 5 tables and 2 more documents. We can preview what is found in each table and find the data we need. When you find it, click on Load and Excel is going to load it into Excel. This data is linked to the website, so if I click on the refresh button it will update my data set from the website. If the website gets updated, the Excel file will be able to refresh and reload it. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified whenever a new video is published on this channel. Thank you for watching.